IoT applications. Introduction.
Internet of Things is transforming the way we interact with the digital and physical worlds. Today, we'll explore into the many applications of IoT that are transforming industries and our daily lives.
Smart homes.
Imagine coming home to a space that anticipates your needs. Smart thermostats adjust the temperature and lights illuminate your path. IoT devices in smart homes enhance convenience and energy efficiency while allowing remote control via smartphones.
Healthcare.
In healthcare, IoT is a game changer. Wearable devices monitor vital signs, enabling remote patient care. IoT in medical equipment ensures real-time data tracking, reducing the risk of errors and enhancing patient outcomes.
Agriculture.
Precision farming is IoT's gift to agriculture. Sensors in field measures soil condition and weather, optimizing irrigation and crop management. Drones equipped with IoT technology survey vast expanses, provides invaluable insights for farmers.
Smart cities.
IoT transforms entire urban landscapes. Smart city application monitor traffic, waste management, and energy usages. Street lights brighten as you approach and dim to conserve energy when you pass by.
Industrial IoT, IIoT.
The industrial sector sees immense benefit with IoT. Connected machines provided predictive maintenance, reducing downtime. Factories become more efficient, optimizing production schedules and resource management.
Retail.
In the retail industry, IoT personalizes shopping experiences. Smart shelves notify when items are low, checkout-free stores offer convenience, and beacon technology sends promotions to shop.
Environmental monitoring.
IoT aids in environmental conservation. Sensors track air quality, water purity, and wildlife movements. These applications are crucial for understanding and mitigating climate change. IoT's versatility, boundless, spanning countless industries and data.
Conclusion.
The future promises further innovations, making IoT a transformative force in our world.